over the top, completely upside down. Let's really hear it for Alex. Would you like to see even more? Now, Victoria's gonna join him standing in the center. Watch as he faces around her, narrowly missing her body and actually touching her hand. Let's hear it for Victoria and Alex! Well, how do you like it so far? Would you like to see some more? Alright, we'll give you more, but first I'd like to take this moment to tell you that directly following our performance, please don't go away, because all the performers will be out to the front of the show. They'll be happy to shake your hands or answer any questions you may have. And at that time, you'll have an opportunity to have your photograph taken here outside the Globe of Death, sitting on top of the motorcycles with our motorcycle riders, Alex and Victoria. One person or the entire family for the same price of just $5. We'd like to thank you in advance for your participation. And now, are you ready for more? Come on, you don't sound ready. Are you ready? Now, Victoria's gonna join Alex for a total of 2 motorcycles inside the tiny steel cage. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the Victory Riders! Watch now, 2 motorcycles at the same time. Mother and son, all the way from Bradenton, Florida, the Victory Riders! Come on, let me hear you in there!